Today on Brett's Brain, we're going to start a new segment that's geared towards people that are interested in investing in early stage startups. And my one piece of advice today is don't try and win a negotiation. You're building a relationship with the founders that you're investing in, and you need to come to an agreement that both sides are really comfortable with so you can move forward and you can establish a relationship built on trust. If you go into an investment and you take advantage of a founder or you get a deal that is, you think is a killer deal, two things. The first is you have to ask yourself, why are you getting that deal? What's wrong with the company? Why is it coming to you as an angel if you can get this great deal? It's a bit of a red flag when there's a lot of money out there and a lot of other investors out there. And the second is this is a relationship game. You need to build a reputation as a really good investor if you want to continue to see good deal flow. Entrepreneurs talk. It's a small ecosystem. And if you take advantage of one founder or you start doing things that aren't market or trying to take advantage of a founder, word's going to spread and your deal flow is going to dry up. Not to mention that the founders that do accept those deals, they're probably not going to succeed. And you're going to end up spending a lot of time, trying to rebuild that relationship or just butting heads with those founders in the long run. It's just not worth it. The best investors in the world come to terms with their founders that both sides feel comfortable with and both sides can be happy with moving forward because it's mutually beneficial to everyone. So don't try to win a negotiation. Try to come to an agreement that everybody can be happy with.